Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. In this video, we'll explore essential tips and strategies to help you navigate the various demands of maintaining, servicing and ensuring the longevity of your vehicle. Let's delve into mastering the art of owning a vehicle with confidence. Mastering the demands of vehicle ownership, a comprehensive guide. Enduring the challenges of vehicle ownership. Owning a vehicle comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. From routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, the cost of keeping a car on the road can be significant. In this blog post, we'll explore the common challenges that vehicle owners face and provide practical tips to navigate through them. Whether you're a new car owner or a seasoned driver, understanding how to endure these challenges can help you make informed decisions and keep your vehicle running smoothly. The initial cost of vehicle ownership. Purchasing a vehicle. When it comes to purchasing a vehicle, the cost can vary widely depending on factors such as whether you choose to buy new or used, the make and model, and any additional features you desire. New vehicles often come with a higher price tag, while used vehicles may require more maintenance. It's important to research and consider all these factors before making a decision. Vehicle insurance is a crucial aspect of ownership. The cost of insurance can fluctuate based on various factors, including the driver's age, driving record, type of vehicle, and coverage options. Comprehensive research and price comparisons are essential to ensure you find the best coverage for your needs at a reasonable cost. Registering your vehicle and paying taxes are unavoidable expenses that are part of owning a car. The costs for registration and taxes can differ by state and vehicle type. It's important to factor these additional expenses into your budget when considering the overall cost of vehicle ownership. Maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance of your vehicle is crucial for its longevity and performance. This includes oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid top-ups. These routine tasks help prevent larger issues from arising and ensure that your vehicle operates at its best. Dealing with wear and tear. Wear and tear on your vehicle is inevitable, but staying on top of it can prevent more significant problems down the line. Keeping an eye on your brakes, suspension, and other wear-prone parts can help you catch issues early and save on repair costs in the long run. Unexpected repairs. Despite regular maintenance, unexpected repairs can still occur. Whether it's a sudden breakdown or a malfunctioning component, unexpected repairs can be frustrating and financially burdensome. Being prepared for these situations can help alleviate stress and ensure a swift resolution. Incorporating regular maintenance, dealing with wear and tear, and being prepared for unexpected repairs are essential aspects of vehicle ownership. By staying proactive and addressing issues promptly, you can minimize the impact of maintenance and repairs on your daily life and budget. Fuel and energy costs. Choosing the right fuel. When it comes to enduring the challenges of vehicle ownership, one of the most significant ongoing costs is fuel. Choosing the right fuel for your vehicle can make a substantial difference in your overall expenses. Consider the fuel efficiency and cost of each type of fuel available to you. Different vehicles may have different optimal fuel requirements, so it's important to consider the manufacturer's recommendations as well as the current fuel prices in your area. Fuel efficiency and consumption. Understanding your vehicle's fuel efficiency and consumption is vital for managing costs. Fuel efficiency refers to the distance your vehicle can travel per unit of fuel, typically measured in miles per gallon, (mpg), for gas-powered vehicles. Regularly monitoring your vehicle's fuel consumption can help pinpoint any potential issues affecting efficiency, such as poor maintenance or driving habits. By maintaining optimal fuel efficiency, you can mitigate the financial burden of frequent refueling. Exploring alternative energy sources. Exploring alternative energy sources can be a proactive approach to mitigating the impact of fuel and energy costs. In recent years, advancements in electric and hybrid vehicles have provided more sustainable options for environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, biodiesel and ethanol blends offer alternative fuel choices that may align with both economic and ecological considerations. By considering these alternative energy sources, vehicle owners can potentially reduce their reliance on traditional fossil fuels while contributing to a more sustainable future. Depreciation and resale value. Understanding depreciation. Depreciation is the decline in a vehicle's value over time due to factors such as age, mileage, and wear and tear. It's important for vehicle owners to understand that as soon as a new car is driven off the lot, it starts to lose value. The rate of depreciation varies depending on the make and model, but it's a crucial aspect to consider when estimating a vehicle's future resale value. Strategies to maintain resale value. To maintain a vehicle's resale value, owners should prioritize regular maintenance and servicing. Keeping detailed records of all maintenance and repairs can reassure potential buyers about the vehicle's condition. Additionally, parking in a garage, fixing dents and scratches promptly, and following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can all contribute to preserving resale value. Selling or trading in a vehicle. When it comes time to part ways with a vehicle, owners have the option to sell it privately or trade it in at a dealership. Selling privately may yield a higher resale value, but it requires more effort in terms of advertising, negotiating, and transferring ownership. On the other hand, trading in at a dealership offers convenience and a potential tax advantage, but the trade-in value may be lower compared to a private sale. Owners should weigh these factors before deciding which route to take. Parking and storage. Finding affordable parking for your vehicle can be a challenge, but with some strategic thinking and research, it's possible to secure a cost-effective solution. Start by exploring parking options in your area, such as municipal parking lots, residential street parking, or even renting a private parking space from a homeowner or commercial property. Additionally, consider carpooling or using public transportation for your daily commute to reduce parking expenses. Finding affordable parking. When it comes to finding affordable parking, consider the location, safety, and pricing. Look for parking garages or lots in less congested areas, as they often offer lower rates compared to prime locations. If you're a frequent parker, inquire about monthly or long-term parking discounts. Moreover, parking apps and websites can help you compare prices and find the best deals in your vicinity. Protecting a vehicle from damage. To protect your vehicle from damage while parked, invest in a sturdy car cover to shield it from the elements such as sun exposure, rain, and falling debris. If parking in a public area, opt for well-lit and secure parking spaces to mitigate the risk of theft or vandalism. Additionally, consider installing a car alarm system and using steering wheel locks for added security. Storage options for seasonal vehicles. Seasonal vehicles, such as motorcycles or convertibles, may require special storage during off-season months. Look for local storage facilities that offer climate-controlled units to safeguard your vehicle from extreme temperatures. Alternatively, consider investing in a car storage bubble or portable garage for convenient at-home vehicle storage. Always prioritize proper maintenance and cleaning before storing your vehicle to prevent damage from moisture and pests. Navigating the legal and regulatory landscape is an essential part of vehicle ownership. Understanding traffic laws, dealing with tickets and violations, and ensuring compliance with vehicle regulations are crucial aspects that every vehicle owner should be mindful of. Please remember to take a few seconds to like, subscribe, and share our video. Understanding traffic laws. When it comes to understanding traffic laws, it's essential to stay informed about the rules and regulations that govern the roads. This includes knowing the speed limits, right-of-way, traffic signs and signals, and other key aspects that contribute to safe and lawful driving. Staying up to date with any changes in traffic laws is important for all vehicle owners. Dealing with traffic tickets and violations can be a stressful experience. Whether it's a speeding ticket, parking violation, or another infraction, it's important to address these issues promptly. This may involve paying fines, attending traffic school, or contesting the ticket in court. Being proactive in addressing tickets and violations can help avoid further complications and maintain a clean driving record. Compliance with vehicle regulations. Compliance with vehicle regulations encompasses various aspects such as vehicle registration, emissions standards, and safety requirements. Ensuring that your vehicle meets the necessary regulations not only keeps you in good standing with the law, but also contributes to the safety of yourself and others on the road. Regular vehicle inspections and staying informed about any regulatory changes are key components of maintaining compliance. By being well versed in traffic laws, addressing tickets and violations responsibly, and prioritizing compliance with vehicle regulations, vehicle owners can navigate the legal and regulatory landscape with confidence and peace of mind. Unexpected situations and emergencies, accidents and insurance claims. Facing unexpected situations like accidents can be daunting for vehicle owners. It's important to stay calm and focus on addressing the immediate needs of everyone involved. After ensuring the safety of all individuals, it's vital to exchange contact and insurance information with the other party. Taking photos of the accident scene and obtaining witness statements can provide valuable evidence for insurance claims. Promptly notifying the insurance company about the accident is crucial to initiate the claims process. Vehicle breakdowns. Vehicle breakdowns can occur at any time, leaving owners feeling stranded and stressed. Regular maintenance and checkups can reduce the risk of sudden breakdowns. However, in the event of a breakdown, having a roadside assistance service can provide quick and reliable help. Knowing how to safely pull over to the side of the road and having essential tools such as a spare tire and jack can also be beneficial in such situations. Emergency preparedness for vehicle owners. Being prepared for emergencies is essential for all vehicle owners. Creating an emergency kit with items such as a first aid kit, flashlight, blankets, non-perishable food, and water can help individuals cope with unexpected situations. Additionally, staying informed about weather conditions and road closures can aid in planning safe travel routes. It's also advisable to keep important documents such as insurance information and vehicle registration in a readily accessible location within the vehicle. In summation, enduring the challenges of vehicle ownership requires proactive maintenance, financial planning, and a commitment to safe driving practices. By staying informed about routine maintenance schedules and investing in quality repairs, vehicle owners can mitigate unexpected issues and prolong the lifespan of their vehicles. Additionally, budgeting for regular expenses such as fuel, insurance, and repairs can help alleviate the financial burden of ownership. Finally, prioritizing safe driving habits and adhering to traffic regulations can contribute to a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. By addressing these challenges head-on, vehicle owners can navigate the complexities of ownership with confidence and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.